Let's make our way into a crawl space. Alright, be careful there now. Take the trap door off. And we're gonna go clean a dehumidifier behind that wall. It's no fun if I don't show you the way I get in, huh? Take a seat. Feet in. Voila. Let's make our way to the dehumidifier. Right here. Quick look at my crawl space. Encapsulated. Alright. Hisense 60 pint dehumidifier. Air filter, light is on. Okay, so power it off. Power button's there. This is the filter in the back. All you do is pull it out. So, per the manual, what it says is to vacuum it. So we can vacuum it. See. We're gonna vacuum it, and then with a warm microfiber towel, I got a Dawn soap on it, and I'll clean it up after so it's vacuumed. Honestly, the filter doesn't look that dirty to me. Give it a quick wipe with the damp. It ain't damp, but lightly soak the towel with warm water. Dawn dish soap, just a tiny bit. Do both sides. And then I got another microfiber towel just to dry it off. Just want to go back and forth smoothly. Nothing too difficult. Flip it around, get the other side. Looks good to go to me. Turn this around. Let's snap that back in. You want to get the sides to snap in first. And then at the top. Let's turn it back on. And it should be good. Put the air filter button so it can turn off. And that's it. Come back to check on it maybe tomorrow. Just to make sure that filter doesn't come back on. That filter light. We're on auto. Make sure my setting's still at 50. Yes. We're good to go. Alright, and now let's make our exit. Sit down. Crawl out. Bada bing, bada bang.